Hey everybody, Stephen Sitkowski here, leading educator on how to trade the financial markets. So I've got a particular stock I want to look at with you today. Before we do that, let's just check in on the markets generally, see what's going on. So we're going to look at a chart on the S&P 500. We're going to use the proxy for that called the SPY. And if we annotate this just a little bit, connect the lows and connect the highs, we can see that, yeah, we're still in this bullish channel for sure. Now, let's go back and let's do the heat map. So this is the last 3 months that we're going to be looking at. There we go. Let's go 3 months over here. So what you see are the 11 sectors of the S&P 500, and you look for the light green. It tells you what's moving. So right here, let's go to technology. Sort of blow this up. So you have technology software. It's being led by Microsoft, Adobe. On the hardware side, Apple has just been absolutely screaming. Over here with industrials, let's take a look. And if we look on transportation side, Delta Airlines been doing well. Rockwell, Raytheon's a takeover candidate. They're doing a merger, Global Payments. So you can sort of see how you can use this heat map. By the way, if you want to use a tool like this and you want to be able to subscribe to it, just go to sitkowskiwealthacademy.com and you can just fill in your information and we'll be operating off of the same tools. But let me show you Fedex. So what's going on with FedEx? Well, basically they were in a pricing war with Amazon. Looks like that is starting to abate a bit. And you can see FedEx, I mean, it moves in these cycles, down and up and down and up and down and so forth. Now, this little uptrend. And most of the news relative to FedEx recently has been pretty good. So as I look at this stock, I only have one concern. So we're going to put this on your alert list. Here's my concern. I'll get rid of these lines. Is that we seem to have a pretty heavy level of resistance right in here. Right, you see that? I just drew 2 lines to make it easier for you to see. So I would be waiting for FedEx. Right now it's at 160. I'm going to expect it to get to probably in the 165, 166 range. Not a big move, about 4%, 3%, something like that. Can you make money on a little move like that? Yeah, you can. But if it goes past this level and gets, say, to 170, then the next level of resistance is up at 175. So I think from a fundamental standpoint, let's take a look. We see that over the next couple of estimates, so FedEx last quarter made $2.19 a share. They're now estimating that the next quarter will range between 230 and 180, but after that, they're expecting it to make a pretty significant jump up into the $3 range, which would really drive this stock. So FedEx is on my radar, wanted to share it with you. I think we can expect it to move up into the high 160s It's currently at 160 right now, so maybe another 6, 7, 8 points. But if it goes beyond 170, look at it to move toward 175. If it gets beyond that, let's look at a little longer term. Let's go out for a year. So if it gets beyond 175, kind of its next level is almost $200 a share. So put on your list, keep an eye on it. I think you're going to be hearing lots of news about FedEx in the coming weeks and in the coming months. By the way, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and do that. I think we're up to about 350 subscribers in that neighborhood. It's all been organic, no paid advertising. It's just people like you telling other people or just taking an interest. So I will post 1 or more times a week. And by the way, if you want to know the moment that the post comes out, click on the notification bell. If you are interested in having the ability to use this tool, awesome. Just go to SitkowskiWealthAcademy.com and it'll take you right there. Okay, till next time. God bless. Have an amazing day. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.